If you're looking to buy in Broadbeach, an apartment around about the $1.5 million mark or just under, these ones are very, very unique. I'll show you. It says in the copy pretty well. So northeast, it's never to be built out. So this is what they mean. Look at it on the map. That's the apartment there, the one on the corner. So these views will always be uninterrupted, as that there is Broadbeach Soccer Club. It's owned by the council. That won't be developed. So you can pretty much guarantee that that'll always be your view, east facing. And the apartment itself presents really well, and your bedroom's got this unbelievable east view. And as an owner-occ or an investor, I'll run the numbers for you. So I think it's going to be around this marker, the end selling price. It might hit 1.5 or just above. That's your current rent, and that's your current rental yield. And yes, you've got to pay high strata and some costs, but as a percentage of the purchase price, it's actually well within my range, which is 1 to 1.5%. So as an investment, 80% loan, it probably costs you about $50 a week to hold it on an interest only loan. And if you're an owner occupier, just take out the rent and then the management fees, and it'll cost you about $1,600 a week to hold it, interest only. And then on the capital growth side of things, if you can hit 7% per annum, which is the national average, you're plus about 100 grand per year. And that number will either go up or go down based on various different market conditions. So this apartment definitely got my attention because it's got something very unique, and that was the view that's never going to be built out. So as an owner or an investor, and those numbers and that street, the suburb makes sense to you, I'd be putting this on the shortlist. So if you're looking at buying on the Gold Coast and you're not sure which pockets to get into for your budget or the asset type that you want to buy, just drop a comment below GC and I'll send you a free buyer assessment.